Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back and I'm here with my mom. A lot of you have been asking for an update on her locks, so here we are. Hi mommy.
Hi Keish, what's up?
How's it going?
Oh, okay.
Just okay?
Yeah, well, this morning I went and had a shampoo done with my hair. I hadn't been going to anything professionally for a long time. And so there's this guy I usually go to when I want to have some real deep treatment going on. And I was very pleased. I went to see him this morning.
Okay, so he did a wash and twist.
Washed and retwist, yes, he did.
Do you know what he used?
I think for the shampoo he used peppermint. That I think the Dr. Bonner's shampoo, peppermint soap. For the I asked him what he used for moisturizing. He used a mixture of coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, and he said a number of other things which he didn't really explain what they were. But that is mainly what he used: shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil.
That's what he used to moisturize?
Yes.
And what did he use to retwist?
I am not sure if he used anything specifically, but that's what he used in the hair. And he just clipped it when before he put it in the dryer.
Oh, so he probably used the same thing that he used to moisturize it.
I imagine he did.
Okay. It smells really good.
Thank you. I can't tell you for sure what it is. The other it smells a sort of musky. I can't be sure what it is, but I'm pleased.
Okay, it's probably a mix that he creates himself. So how long have you had your locks at this point?
At this point, I'm in my fourth year. My fourth year.
And how are you feeling about them?
I'm pretty pleased. Like I said previously, that having these locks gave me a lot of freedom not to think about hair, because of course I am not my hair. However, I don't have to focus too much on hair, and the maintenance is low. Except when I want to go to a fancy occasion, I might have it professionally styled. However, I like just letting it loose. It gives me a lot of freedom to do the things that I would like to do. You know, and with my job, I don't have much time to think in terms of hair. You know, I'm not judged by my hair. I'm judged by my ability to produce in the classroom.
Right. So who maintains your hair on a regular basis? I know sometimes every now and then you go to that man that you went to this morning, but who maintains it normally?
Well, of course you do.
Oh.
Yes. The different oils that you put together, I use those. I'm very pleased with your most recent production. I've been using that too, and I am satisfied with the results.
Okay, and I've noticed that you use a specific type of accessory on your hair very often when you go to work. Want to talk about that a little bit?
Oh, your infinity wraps. Yeah, I like those because it keeps my hair. It keeps me neat, and I have a number of colors which allows me to wear it almost every day. So it's very, very helpful and very useful for me at this time, especially in the profession that I am.
So how do you feel about your current length?
I'm loving it. I would love to grow a little more, hopefully, you know. I'm only, as we said, I'm only my fourth year. And hopefully I will see more of it in the next coming years, God willing. It allows me to be around.
Are you still coloring your locks?
Of course. That's a part of me. I color them on and off, depending on the mood I'm in. You know, right now I've been sticking with this dark and lovely, kind of golden brown that I'm using right now. I'm sticking with that so far. Who knows what happens during the summertime.
When you say you're sticking with it so far, how long has it been since you've had that color?
Well, I've been...
1 week?
I've
2
had
weeks?
It, for more than a month.
Oh.
For more than a month, and it was a long time for me. However, what I've been doing within recent times, I've been using the same color, but just refreshing it.
And how often do you refresh?
About 6 weeks.
Okay. And do you see yourself looking like Angela Bassett in Black Panther anytime soon?
Well, of course, everybody is unique in their own special way. I don't see myself looking like her, but I would certainly like to, as eventually the Lord allows me to live as long as some people, my mother for example, she is now 86. If I'm allowed to live much longer, I'm hoping that I could have my hair that color, the color she had, I mean the grey, you know. It was very dignified to me. I think at that age, and a woman at that age, in her 80s should really have something looking like that, at least for me.
Knowing you, you would probably dye it gray. You would dye it gray.
Oh yeah, probably dyed gray.
You probably wouldn't let it naturally go gray.
You're sure right, that's me. Yeah, it's like can't let nature take its course. I always want to help nature along. Ah.
So, when it comes to commentary, what do people say, whether there be strangers or people, your coworkers, do they comment on your hair at all?
Well, my co-workers have gotten used to seeing me with the locks and some. When they see me, let it know. Oh, it's growing. Yes, I said, yes, it is. I use a lot of my products that Keisha has produced, and that has helped me. Not only with regard to style, with regard to upkeep, maintenance. What I should do, what I should not do. And that's very helpful, very useful to me. Yeah.
What is something that you get told commonly from strangers about your hair or something like that?
I like your hair.
Yeah.
Who did your hair? And oftentimes that's the time I usually give them a card. Some people want to take pictures of my locks sometimes and just to show a friend of theirs. Not only people of our ethnicity, but people who have, other folks who want to show friends of theirs who might have locks or who are thinking of having locks. And people have photographed my locks on the train, on the, on the subway. They've done all those different things to show other people who are thinking in terms of going this way.
And also photographers, like at events when we go to like BAM or those kind of events. You definitely been photographed at those events as well.
I remember you and I were photographed the last time that we were there together. People stop and ask us to take photographs of us. I don't know I think they're probably looking at different hairstyles, but I can't imagine why else they would want to photograph us.
Because Black Beauty. Okay, so at this point, I'll do a close-up on your hair so everyone can see the color and the length and such. You look like you have a halo right now because the bulb is behind your head. Oh. No, that's not a bad thing. Go back. So thank you for coming back to my channel, Mom. A lot of people have been asking you, so I'm sure they'll be very pleased to see you again. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. Au revoir. Adios. Sayonara.
Peace.